Holy freaking crap. There's the serial number up there. Dad. It was scheduled to work in 1944. Serial number's up there. The entire big boy is so long. So clean tender. It's where the fire hose goes to. I'll post a link in the video how they got this thing up. But for now, just enjoy how cool this is. UP 4023. You see it right there. UP 4023. For a joke, they're married. If they're able to put this locomotive back in service, get a ton of money. Wow, look at this.
Alright, we'll go check that out, okay?
Yeah, let's go ahead and do
We
it.
gotta get going. We got that long trip ahead of us.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yep, we do. Give you a look inside of this. That's what it looks like inside. All dusty inside of this. Look at this. Unreal Fan Rubber Productions. Stay tuned for other videos and other cool content coming up. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.